How to make money as a designer or a design consultant by Zulueta Architecture. The idea behind this presentation is to give students, designers, young professionals, and architects how to approach the money-making aspect of this industry. How to make money from your skills is not usually something that's taught in school. Architect Joanne Zulueta has over 20 years of experience in the industry. She is currently licensed in 5 provinces in Canada: Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, Ontario, and Saskatchewan. Shown here are my certificates over the years. My Alberta Association of Architects certificate on the left side, and on the center is also a certificate for my registration in Alberta, and my LEED accredited professional certificate on the right side, which I took quite a while now. Scope of work. First things first, designing is a service industry, so make sure that your scope of work is clear and well defined. You can define your work by the square footage of the project, or you can also define your work by listing your services, and it should be very specific. What services are you providing for this job? And lastly, and also importantly, you should have an agreement or a contract that's signed by the owner. For the fixed fee, you should have a definitive and clear scope of work. You should be capable of finishing the work for a specific amount of time. One way to do that is to mention on your agreement a certain number of revisions so that you can control your time. You should also say what's excluded on your scope of work, areas that is not part of the job or services. And you can give a cost for your fixed fee based on square footage or per square foot, or it can be also a percentage of construction cost. Billable hours. We make money through our time. You need to be an expert or provide value to the client or the project to be hired as a consultant or as a designer. You should work with approved hourly rates and number of hours. Your rate depends on your experience. Normally, a junior designer is $30 to $40 per hour. A medium experienced designer is $50 to $60 per hour. Senior designer is $60 to $85 per hour. And a licensed professional starts at $100 per hour. If you bill by the hour, you should show a timesheet supporting these activities. Choose your projects wisely. It's difficult to earn money from small jobs. So if you decide to take on a small job, you should be very clear on your scope, and you should really finish the job quickly. Bigger jobs are better because you've got better fees, there's a better schedule and time frame, and normally you're working with clients that are from the industry. Good clients. Be cautious on first-time clients. Always ask money for first-time clients up front. And not all clients are created equal. There are some really good clients, and then there are some difficult clients. And do a lot of networking. That way you can establish good contacts and you can also show your portfolio and introduce yourself. Aim for established clients because these clients have good reputation in the industry and they will pay you good fees with your work. In summary, how do you make money as a designer or as a consultant? You should have a clear scope of work. If you go for a fixed fee, you should also have a definite scope of work and an agreement. If you're going for billable hours, you should have an approved rate and approved hours. Choose your projects wisely and aim for good clients. As closing, I hope that you gained knowledge from this session. If you need more information, let us know. Feel free to contact me at info@zuluetaarchitecture.com, and we do offer online consultation, completion certificates, and work exercises. So you could get that information on our website or you can always email me. Take care until the next presentation. Have a good day. Bye.